Jai Gurudev everyone. Myself Krishika from Vidyarambh Gurukula. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Anantapur district. Today I am going to speak about my experience here throughout the 5 days. So when I first came to this place, it's actually new to me, and Bangalore is also new to me. But I felt very calm, positive, and something positive vibrations came in my body. Like I can do anything. That type of positive vibrations came in my body because of the nature, I think so. But it is so calm in the nature. And we got some Sankalpa where the Guruji explained about this whole program, and Guruji guided us. And the third eye activities which we did throughout the 5 days is really amazing. I enjoyed it a lot, and I would like to share my favorite third eye activity with you people. That is first pyramid building, and next I would like to write with blindfold. And going to my experience in the Guruji's lecture, I like mostly visualization, respecting parents, good habits, bad habits, all the topics which covered by Guruji is very amazing. And the way of teaching in this Gurukula, Vidyarambh Gurukula, is very amazing. And I like this practical way of teaching. It's very practical and it's really useful for future. So I would like to thankful be for this, and I thank Guruji also. And by Guruji, every time Guruji will say that don't expect the results while doing any work. So I felt like that, and I got confidence by listening his words. And I improved day by day, and I improved myself in everything. And I am going to promise that I will definitely implement anything from which Guruji said. I will implement everything. And yesterday we gone to Goshala nearby, Fireflies. So I am really very happy that I felt very calm and very excited that I touched my Anandamaya Kosha and I talked to cows. It's really new to me, but if I say hello, are you hungry, your tummy is full, I talked everything with that. So actually I'm very hyper excited before, but after coming to Vidyarambh Gurukula and listening Guruji's words, Acharya's words, I really became very slow, and I kept aside my hyper excitedness. I'll give 2 examples for this. So when I got World Book of Records in my dance, I was very hyper excited. I am able to enjoy dance in that. And in my IIT exam, when I wrote my first IIT exam, I don't know anything, I didn't prepare anything, just I tick, 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 tick. I gone through ticking ABCD like that, and I got first rank in that. I am very happy for this, and I did hyper excited. I ran throughout the school also. So when I came to Vidyarambh Gurukula and listened Guruji's words, I reduced my hyper excitementness. So I'll say one thing, the real happiness is from anything which we do when we give out what we take from the nature or any resources. And I'll say that don't recheck yourself, just go on keeping. The happiness is from when you do any help to anyone. When I got World Book of Records, I will go on to Google, I'll scan it and I'll say it's a real World Book of Records or not, real or not. I'll go on keeping searching it. But when I came here, I listened Guruji words, and everything is so mindful coming, and the meditation I did here is very calm, and I improved and I got positiveness in my body. I left all the fear, unconfidence. I became very confident, and I am able to be here. And so I will be very thankful for Guruji and all the Acharyas. And thank you for every Acharya for their patience and teaching me everything, and Guruji for his words and guiding us. And thank you for everyone. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.